Last day, guys, here in Fuerteventura, and the only day with the car. I'm on my way to fly some drone and to hopefully show you some nice lighthouse. Here we're leaving Caleta de Fuste and hitting the FV2, which is the name of the road here, the main road. The infrastructure, guys, is long after what you find on Gran Canaria. And that unfortunately is the case. The traffic here is just too many cars, too many cars, too many cars. It's still worth it. I mean, getting the car, it's still worth it. There's a lot to see. Look at these landscapes, but have in mind the traffic. And here we go. Now we're hitting the village road. I mean, there is no vegetation, but it's so nice with these volcanoes and mountains and everything here around. It's just worth exploring it by car or by bike or however you have the possibility to do it. I tried to do it on feet. I tried trekking, and it was fine until the moment that that day of trekking just made me really tired for many days to come. It's just amazing, this sunset. Locals, they don't want to wait, they want to drive fast. It's almost like I'm in Bulgaria. There are probably farms here because it smells like cow shit. It's in the air. You know, guys, you should get more days with cars here. Definitely, it's worth it, but try to find the right company to rent the car from. And I can recommend you the company I am renting from, not only here but on Gran Canaria as well. It's called Autoreisen. This is not a paid promotion or something, it's just a great company to rent the car from. Now I'm going to a village, and it's the nearest point where I can put my drone at work. I've been studying the map of the island, and I can't fly everywhere here, unfortunately. There is a place I can put my drone to work, and I want to show you some nice aerial views here. Oh my god, even the pressure is changing. I can feel it in my ears. A lot of people cycling here. Look at this guy. Consider getting a bike if you're coming to this island. Wow, some animals. Warning for animals. Control de velocidad. We are not in a hurry, though we want to see some sun. It's, guys, hard to triquivigiate. Triquivigiate. Wow, what a name, honestly. And it's closed where I want to go. To Triquivigiate. And what the hell am I doing now? Well, Triquivigiate is closed, unfortunately, and I have no idea what to do. Well, guys, they're building the road here in this village, and it's so hard to get on the main road. Look at these streets. It's like not there, but no signs. I don't know, can I be here? No. Can I be there? Spanish guys, you have to properly fix your roads because this is hard, you know? And I'm losing time here. This is the worst of all. This is the worst of all. If I have all day here, it's all right, but I'm just losing my time. See some other Mercedes. They have the GPS. I didn't take mine because I didn't think that I would need it. And the guy is driving like he's on a rodeo or something. Helt hooked. Some boy with a dog looking scared. No. No, dude. Some German or Dutch elderly couple. All right, now I think it's either this or I'm going back. Well, I don't know where I am.
Nice.
Like I'm in Latin America somewhere. I've never been there, guys. Look at these horses. Some people are having fun on horses. Cool. And I think I'm on the right way, guys. That's fantastic. I'm leaving Fuerteventura and I'm going to the next village, which is my point where I'm going to fly my drone, because I'm still in the red zone here. Crazy landscape, guys. There is a guy behind me who wants to race me, I think. He's a local guy. He thinks we are stupid tourists. I can drive 100 here, you can't. Finally came to a place which eventually can be the place where I'll be able to put my drone in action for the first time since I came here. Now the sun is gone, guys, and I think this is it for today. Even on Fuerteventura the sun goes down, unfortunately, but imagine living in a house like this one. Such a nice house, well arranged, with good gardener. This is the reality. Living in such kind of environment, you just appreciate the least of green that you can have in your own house, in your own garden. It's totally different from what we have at a moderate climate zone. Not much traffic right now, just the ordinary, the buses. Morojable, Puerto de Rosario bus. But to me it's clear that you need a car on this island. Definitely you need a car. So this is something you have to consider coming here. It's a difficult situation. This is Antigua. It's 50 and somebody's pushing behind me. It's really cool to drive here, pitch black, and just those cat eyes show you the way. And it's so surreal with these mountains around. There are some small villages, restaurants, and now I'll join the main FV2 road, and I'm basically going home. Yeah.
Om 600 meter, sväng vänster till FV2.